How to share a project on Capcut PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Capcut application from your PC. And here, make sure that you have imported any project for your editing. Now once you are done editing your project, click on to export on your top right. Now this is the export file location where your Capcut file will be saved. In case you would like to change it, you can go ahead and click on this file icon and change your location. In case you would like to modify the location, go back and on your right hand side you will see the option of modified. Click onto it. Here click on to copy media to project, then click on to save. Now go ahead and click on to project on your top right and save your video. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.